Gua, 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 Guangdong baby, got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's all about, looking all around. It's Guangdong, baby. Got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China.
There's a kind of a really interesting street right there. We're going to be going down to this Lingnan architectural area. You can see lots of tourist stuff kind of set up. There's a kind of a rainbow colored bridge, and we're going to be walking over there, so stay tuned for that. Jiangmen, China, up on the map. This is in Guangdong. This is a really cool city with a lot of history, so we're going to talk about it in the video. This is kind of a Lingnan area. We're going to wander into the streets, we're going to see a theater, we're going to kind of see all kinds of cool stuff, because it's a really, like, the city was built before the car, so it has a lot of that kind of history to it. Anyways, let's get right into it, as if you're there yourself. Jiangmen and Guangdong, China. So that'll be our focus in a moment. But I'm just gonna take a look down this street right here, because it's called Shanbu Road. A lot of activity down here. All kinds of fruits and vegetables, lots of markets, lots of chatter, beautiful architecture everywhere. Rainbow Bridge. But what I want to do is there's like stuff over there too. Like stuff in every direction. But what I want to do is get over to this Lingnan architecture area, which I'm going to walk past these people, and then I'll walk into that. Well, right over there. Let's get closer to that. Some people in pink chairs hanging out over there. But we're going to go right into this area. I saw it from when I came in to this. But yeah, it's like Jiangmen has all this Lingnan architecture. And I can kind of see that it looks amazing to wander around and get a little bit lost in. So let's, and there's more over there too. Let's go over there. See if we can kind of meander into any of these areas. It's beautiful banyan trees, nice parks. And we can just meander right into the heart of it. This looks like the heart of it. It's another slice of Jiangmen. So I've had 2 other videos. This would be the 3rd one. I'm gonna definitely come back to this city. I can already tell that there's a lot here to see. I'm just getting a touch of it. And I live in Macau, so I'm not too far away. Just to give you a little background of the city. It has 2 million people, 1.8 I think, and then the metro is like 4.7, which includes some really cool. There's even a well right there. Huh. Dang, it's like an active well. This one looks like it's condemned. So we're gonna meander in. There's an art space too. So it looks like there's different stuff. Let's kind of meander in this way. Lead. Huh. Let's meander this way. I think we can't really go wrong. It's just kind of exploring. These back streets of Jiangmen. Let's go back this way. Gonna explore down this way. Hello. Just kind of. That's one that we're just at, and there's all these happy money. That looks good. Oh, it's beer. Oh, okay. Check that out. Yeah, these are everything is so clean here too. That would go back out to the main street again. That was these little, let me see, I think there's more alleys this way. There's some art space too. So there's a lot of, oh, Bruce Lee. It's all kinds of interesting stuff. So they had, I think they've been filming The Last Dance. Okay, this could be a movie theater right here. Nathan Road from Hong Kong. Performing Arts Theater. So yeah, I guess this is a cinema. There's a dog upstairs, I guess. So I guess this is, God, what a great place to be an artist. Performing Arts Theater. So they must perform in this space, I guess. Wow. Kinds of interesting stuff. So yeah, I think. Hello. Let me see, that's off limits. Huh, there's something else up there too. This could be stuff used for a movie set. There's a cat up there, kitten. Okay, let me see. Let's go this way. And I'm just gonna jump up ahead with the camera, so okay, got to the end of this one. We'll just kind of meander around, see what's going on. More movie set things. Huh. You see some apartments over there. Let me see. Don't know which way to go. There's apartments and housing. Wow, it's like so picturesque. Maybe I'll go this way. We're just kind of meandering around Jiangmen in the back streets here. Trying to make sense. So I feel like a lot of this is going to be gentrified a lot. Yeah, and there's actually apartments that are kind of around it, so I don't know how far this goes. You know, like, am I in this particular area now and then I step outside? quickly and easily because I can see some taller apartments in the distance, like over there, and over there, and over there. And it feels like a lot of the people that are living here are like older residents. But this is a really cool city. Jiangmen. So you do have lots of references for tourism. So I'm gonna go this way. Could kind of go almost any direction, really. So yeah, we kind of started out in this Jiangmen area, in the Lingnan-style at the very beginning, which seemed to be more of an entranceway. And then we went right into all of the historic blocks. And there's a lot of movie references too. Let's see what this one is. Oh, this looks like little patios. Macau has little patios like this too. The Macau ones, they usually would have like a family that settled into it. And then this would be like, or a community. So like in Macau in particular, maybe they'd all come from some family from Fujian or something like that, but they'd be, this looks like it'd probably be multiple families because there's at least 20 apartments there or more. But sometimes in Macau you'd have like one family. And then if they had grandkids, then they would spread out. It's also a similar style too. Movie references. Okay. See, I think this Jiangmen really got put on the map for domestic tourism because of some movies filmed in this area. And you can see where this would be a great place to film. There's another area called Chikan Ancient Village, and that particular one is basically a movie set now. If they want to get some lemon tea. So we're going to meander into one of the main streets over here. Getting hungry too. Got lemon tea, got tofu. Okay. Okay, so this was where a lot of the movie was filmed, as you can see from the so we're just kind of at the front here. So yeah, actually. And I guess what we're gonna do is we're gonna meander some movie references. We'll wander down, and I'm gonna come to an ending for number 3. But you can see that they had the Lingnan-style, and now we're out at the commercial district where you have all the shop houses, the arcade streets. Those just mean like the ones, they kind of have rain cover and sun cover. So anyways, let's end this one before it gets too long. So another slice of Jiangmen City for you.